Wagwan squad, welcome back to another juice video. I really love this one. It's the height of the apple season, so today we are making apple juice. This is so simple and yet so good. These are known as Otaheite apple, or just apples in Jamaica, but otherwise it's commonly known as Malay apple. Malay apples are native to Malaysia and other Southeast Asian countries. There's a white variety of this apple that I really like. It looks exactly the same, but it's white even after it's ripe. Those are some delicious pots of curry goat waiting to happen. Yeah, them know I go down soon. Can't chew. Usually the darker apples are sweeter and have a stronger flavor. These fruits are really refreshing, extremely juicy. These have some really pretty flowers. If I came by when these were flowering, the ground would be covered with bright pink blossoms. Nice. This tree is loaded. I'm going to get as much as I can carry, just I go freeze the extra.
So nice though. What apple? Is it apple?
Alright, let's get back to our juice. I'm going to pick out all the darkest ones because these will have the most flavor. I say most flavor, but these don't really have a strong flavor like that. I'm going to wash these and remove the seeds. There's not a lot of waste with this except for the pit. The most pleasurable thing about these apples is eating them fresh. I really enjoy the texture in combination with the sweet juiciness. Another delicious way to handle these is to stew them. You know, make an apple pie or crumble or something. That one is crispy. Next, I'm going to blend these. I want this really concentrated, so I'm going to be conservative with the water. I always like the color of the blended fruit. This is blended pretty smooth. There isn't a lot of trash to throw away, and most of this will end up in the juice. I'm going to give this a taste. That is flat. It's fresh and it's not very flavorful. We just take all the best parts of what makes this apple delicious and enjoyable and got rid of it. We'll fix that soon. I'm going to pour this out and chill it. That's really thick. It's not really watered down, although apple is mostly water. Alright, let's make some juice. I have this cocktail shaker that holds about a cup. I'm going to fill it up to about a little over half with the apple juice. That's a splash of freshly squeezed lemon. Lime is good too, but I prefer the more refreshing flavor of lemon. That's a little less than quarter cup ginger syrup. Next I'm going to shake and then chill in the fridge while I set up my garnish. Here I have a chilled juice glass, a few ice cubes, pour in the apple juice, I also need club soda. I'm just going to top that off. And finally, a apple lemon skewer. And that's it. Super simple. The only thing left now is to taste it. Wow, that's extremely refreshing. The club soda is helping the apple flavor really shine. The lemon makes it way more refreshing and it's no longer flat. That ginger syrup, wow, adds a little kick at the end, but it's still refreshing. Apple juice was never my favorite. I really preferred eating them, but making it like this, all I want now is apple juice. Good thing I have a fridge full of frozen apples. Alright, that was great. I made another garnish for this apple juice that didn't quite turn out how I wanted it, so I settled with the lemon and apple skewer. My aim was to make caramelized sugar-coated apple skewer, so I used a cup of water with a tablespoon of tartaric acid to stop the sugar from crystallizing. I placed it on medium-low heat to reduce, whisk to dissolve the sugar, then prep the apple skewers. I'm pretty sure I used too much tartaric acid because this browned a lot more than it should have. It ended up tasting okay and looking good, but it was too much hassle for the results that I got, so I decided not to run with it. Either way, this was really good. Thanks for watching, squad. Remember to like, share and subscribe if you're not already, and check the descriptions for ways to support the channel. Since you're here already, check out another video from the Juice playlist.